Tired of getting shafted by the gacha and pulling units you don't want in Anime Last Stand? Let's fix that. First, you're going to need gems, Anime Last Stand's premium currency. You can obtain these by purchasing them with Robux, or through in-game events, daily logins, and completing quests. Keep an eye out for opportunities to snag some free gems. Now, head over to the summon area. This is where you'll be spending your gems to get new units. But here's the crucial part. We're aiming for rerolls. The secret to rerolling in Anime Last Stand is leveraging the trading system. After you summon a unit you don't want, immediately try to trade it with another player. Look for players actively searching for the unit you just got, even if it's a common one. You can often find someone willing to trade a unit you actually need or want for it. If you manage to trade for a unit that significantly improves your team, then you've essentially rerolled successfully. If not, keep trying to trade that unit until you get what you need. Rinse and repeat this method every time you summon a unit that is not beneficial to you, and you'll greatly increase your chances of success. This will help you to get much stronger units. That's how you can effectively reroll in Anime Last Stand. Happy summoning, and good luck building your dream team.